I want to show you how to change the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2020 Chevy Equinox. It'll work on other years of Equinoxes as long as it's made like this. A continuous piece of plastic here covering the wiper blade. So we want to start at this end of the wiper blade cover, and you want to pry this cover off of the wiper blade. All you need are your hands, really. Get your fingers underneath it, rock it, and pull out on it, and it will eventually come off. And once you get it off, you lift it up and you just slide it off to the right, exposing the wiper blade. And the wiper blade doesn't lift out very far from the car, from the windshield. It doesn't give you much room to work, so you can't just flip it almost straight up like you can your front windshield wipers. So what you have to do to release this blade, you can't see it real well, but there's a little tab under here. I've got my finger on it right in there, and you need to lift up on that to get this wiper released from the arm. So I'm going to get a small flat bladed screwdriver, and I'm going to pull the wiper blade out as far as I can, get that screwdriver underneath this tab, pull up on it, and then pull back on the blade to get it to release. And here's the tab that you couldn't see very well before. I had to push up on that to get it to release this blade. To put a new one back on, or in this case, I'm going to put the same one back on because it's a brand new one. You lift out this arm. There's kind of a J hook on the end of it. And that hook goes around this part right here. You're going to slide that up in there, pull it to the right until it clicks, and it's on. So it's going to stay on there very securely. Now you just need to put the cover back on. And to put it back on, we look for this part right here, this little hook. We're going to make sure that goes down in this hole. Just push it straight down in that hole, and then pull back to the left, and then come back down to this end and push it on. And that snaps right back into place. And there you have it. You've got your new rear windshield wiper blade installed, and this doesn't take very long at all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and drive safe. And you'll drive safer if you have good windshield wipers on your vehicle.